Hello everyone, this is Pamperchew. A few weeks ago at the thrift store I found a Pepsi vending machine, so I brought it home. Now I need to fill it up with some soda. I printed out some labels here. Pepsi, 7-Up, Mountain Dew. And now we need to go to the store and get some soda.
And we will in a couple minutes. I'm just about done.
This machine has the dollar bill acceptor, but it only goes up to 75 cents. Here's a pile of soda. We just went to Winco. It's $73 in soda right there. Alright, go ahead and load it up. Let's see what we got here. It's a machine key.
What's the deal with marking it?
Okay, then you unscrew this. Alright, it's the inside where you put all the soda. And just the inside behind the door. Got the dollar bill acceptor. Stores the bills in there. Some sort of counter. I'm not sure what it's counting yet. It's the change acceptor and sorter. Each column here is for the dimes, nickels, and quarters. The button, if you press the button, it'll spit out a quarter or dime or whatever. And if those get overflown, they land in this bucket down here. What is this? That's a quarter. Alright, so after 20 minutes of loading this machine, I now need to purge the system because it was completely empty. The mechanism that actually dispenses the can is empty, and basically the first time it picks a can up. So I have to run a bunch of change through this machine to purge the system. I just finished checking the Mountain Dew. There we go. Spits a quarter out. And let's purge the A&W. Excellent. Oh, I heard it shift around in there. Alright, second time on the A&W. Hey, there we go. So now that's in the system. Try this again. I'm a little curious what water's gonna do. Give me a red light. So apparently it's jamming up, probably because of this low quality thin plastic bottle. I don't like that they made these out of less plastic because they squish a lot easier. They're very flimsy and this machine can't bend them. It seems to jam up because they're on top of each other, they're squishing flat. So here we have Pepsi, 7-Up, Mountain Dew, Big Red, and in here I got A&W root beer, some bottled water, and Coca-Cola. Alright, I need to get my cash back, so we'll go over here. Some $1 bills. And we'll start with the next one I have to do, A&W. When you close it, I put my foot up against here, and then you just start turning this. There's a screw inside with a floating PEM nut. I guess I'll have to switch to Dr. Pepper, because I think I missed that one. I really like Dr. Pepper and it's not on the list.
Hi everyone, it's me, Pamperchew, and I'm going to show you
how this thing works. It's a Pepsi vending machine I got at the Goodwill, or at a thrift store. So here I have a $1 bill, and it takes 75 cents. You can see right here it says 75 cents. I have Pepsi, 7-Up, Mountain Dew, Big Red, A&W. The water doesn't work, so it's lit up. But I'm going to put something in there, maybe Dr. Pepper. And then there's Coca-Cola and a specialty item on the bottom. So here's your $1 bill. It'll take change if you have change, but I don't have any change. And you slip it in here. New crisp bill works the best. Spits out your change. And then you select which one you want. I'm going to go ahead and hit 7-Up here. And it comes right out the bottom. 7-Up. And at the top we have Pikachu, Blue's Clues, and a little husky from Build-A-Bear.